Again, I'm so happy the initiative you have taken with your GPS, because as we had the discussion earlier, even I asked you, even you are charging it very less. Okay, but then that passion behind for helping one child grow, develop into a nice adult, that interest you have actually shown, that's something actually amazing, and that needs to be appreciated, because it's actually a need of the hour, because if you are actually able to help, maybe 100 parents may come and join you, but among the 100 parents, if you are able to motivate, and then if you are able to touch one life of one parent, definitely there is there's a light in one child's life. That is the amazing job which is actually you're doing. You're initiating us for starting this GPS. It's something it should be taken forward. I hope all so many parents come into this forum and then be a part of it, because ultimately there is nothing like I or you here. It is our children. So if we can be a light to the child, and if you are able to guide the parents in the proper way, I think your life is blessed. So keep going. You have a wonderful ahead forum. I'm sure this is the initial things where the parents are really not knowing what is it. As I told, that educating them, or that making them aware is really needed. Parenting as it's not that easy, okay, and then it really needs help from the expert also. So your small steps, I'm sure it will take the child in a longer way, and let us bring light into this small life. So I thought you are actually in the right way, because the thought provoking, unless and until the adult is actually provoked, we will not do anything. So in your case, I think that was successful, because the thought provoking sessions had made the teacher, the parents come back and say that yes, I did this to my child, and that was actually so happy. So I'm so happy. And then even my referrals, they came and told me that was a wonderful sessions we had, and I'm so thankful, ma'am, that you have guided us, and then help us to take these sessions. So it's a small step, but in the WhatsApp 5 days, they can just ignore it. You are giving an assignment, there is nobody to monitor them, they can ignore it. But the way they have came back and responded, definitely it's because your session was really thought provoking, and then it was really benefiting them. We adults will do only things when we are provoked, and then only when we are have something in return. It is a small activity, but if, that is something which the parent would have forgotten in the long run, taken for granted. Again, it is mine. Why I should do all these things? So even just going home, hugging a child, and getting that happiness back, and that can be done only by the expert talk from your side. So GPS has helped them. I'm sure they were actually led in the proper way, that 5 days of WhatsApp, and it was truly benefiting. Otherwise, the parents would not have responded. So go ahead. I think you're on the right track, and then make it possible, so that let you be light for all, so many parents and then children who is coming across. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. It's so thoughtful of you. Seriously. Thank you. Thanks a lot.